Hey everyone, my name is Taylor Nicole and I am back with products, reviews, and challenges to talk about this new car jump starter kit that I found called TACKLIFE. So this is suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs. I've jumped my motorcycle with this. It also comes with a bunch of cool attachments we're gonna go through. It's basically got everything you need in it if you get stuck somewhere. We got this from Amazon to review for $89.99, and I'm gonna take you guys through what's inside and how to use everything in here. So when we open it up, it's got these little compartments. It's got this cool zipper bag right here. You can always throw an extra charger in there, throw extra supplies in there. It's actually pretty spacious. Let's get this open first. So here you have the jumper cables. Get these out. These will jump your car 30 times on a single charge. So you never have to worry about plugging it in every night. Forget about it, throw it in your car, you'll be solid. And then if we look on this side, we have a battery pack. It's got a compass on it right here. I think everyone's phone has a compass on it, but still a pretty cool function. It's got the on-off switch, the power button, and then it also has the USB 3 chargers as well as a 12-volt output and an input. So what we can do here is, this is how you charge it. You're gonna plug this into the input, plug this into the wall, make sure it's fully charged. Say you need to charge your phone. Just gonna turn it on. And you can just plug your phone in, whichever cord you use. You can throw that into this bag. Plug it in, right like that. And you are good to go. You're never gonna lose your phone or let it die on you in the middle of nowhere ever again. So with this, you have your start engine right here. Gonna open this little tab up. It will be a lot easier if you don't have giant claw nails like I do. Open that up, and then you take this end of your jumper cables and you simply plug it in right like that. Now you're good to go. You can put this on your car while your hood is popped, just to let it sit there. So let's take this out for a second so I can show you the flashlight. It also has a flashlight on it just in case you are lost in the dark, because I know that's always when my car breaks down. It can never break down in the daytime. So you're just gonna hold that on button, and I don't wanna blind you guys, but the flashlight is right like that. You're just gonna hold down that on button again to turn it off. This also is a road flare. So let's say you're stuck on the freeway somewhere or you're just needing help. You can double tap this power button and it starts flashing red. Use that as an emergency SOS signal. Double tap it again, turns it off. You have how much percentage you have left right here. Make sure that you are looking at this because you don't want to get stuck with it at 30% and be a little SOL in the middle of nowhere. It also comes with a cigarette charger, so you can just plug that into your car. So there is no excuse at all to let this not be charged in your trunk. No excuse. You have the wall plug, you have the cigarette lighter plug, and there you go. So the only thing this doesn't come with is an iPhone charger and the USB-C charger. It does come with an older Android charger, which can come in handy. It also does come with your owner's manual, so if you have any questions about what it does or exactly its functions, you can always refer to this. It also comes with an warranty, so if you break it, make sure you fill out your warranty card. You can send it in. Then it all just packs right back up. It all just packs right back up like that. It's easy, simple. Now let's go test it out. So I tried to turn my car on and it's still completely dead. But thankfully I had the jump starter kit in the car with me and now I can go and connect it. So now what we're gonna do is make sure the device is plugged in and turned on. We're gonna connect the black to the black and the red to the red, right like that. We're gonna wait a couple of seconds and then we can go turn it on. So there we have it. The car was dead. I tried to turn it on and thankfully this product got it working again. It's gonna be able to jumpstart your car, truck, SUV, or motorcycle. Well, thank you all for joining me in reviewing this product. If you have any other products you would like products reviews and challenges to test out, either you can send them to them or you can leave it in the comments, forward an Amazon link. Just basically let them know and they might just test it out for you guys. My name is Taylor Nicole. Make sure you hit that like button if you want to see more review videos and hit that subscribe button if you like what they're doing on their channel. Make sure to also check out all of their social media. It's going to be linked down below in the description, and check out my social media. It will also all be down below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.